In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Telegram channel link. This is a super simple process that lets you invite new subscribers to your channel by sharing a direct link. Whether you want to post it on social media, send it in messages, or add it to your website, this method works perfectly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once Telegram is open, navigate to your channel. You can find it in your chat list or by searching for it in the search bar. Tap on your channel to open it. Now, tap on the channel name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the channel information page where you can view and manage your channel details. Next, look for the edit button, which is usually represented by a pencil icon, or you may see channel info depending on your device. Tap on it to access the editing options. On this screen, you'll see your channel's TDME link. This is the public link that anyone can use to join your channel. Tap and hold on the link to select it, then tap copy. The link is now copied to your clipboard and ready to be shared. Now you can share this link anywhere you want. You can paste it into social media posts, send it via email, add it to your website, or share it directly in other Telegram chats. Anyone who clicks on this link will be taken directly to your Telegram channel where they can join with just one tap. And that's it. You've successfully copied and shared your Telegram channel link. It's that simple. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.